live trading today, over 300 ticks in profits using nothing more than volume. All right, folks, let's get into it. There's no time to waste. Folks, this whole week has been unbelievably amazing for all active day traders out there. And this volume indicator has just nailed it like 4 out of the 5 days this week. Think about that. 4 out of 5 days, we caught huge winners. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at Dino Trading. It is good to be with you. Today is Friday, January 19th. It's a little after 12:19-ish on a lovely Friday. Just wrapped up my trading, getting ready to go grab lunch, and I figured I would knock out this quick video for you guys and gals. Now, what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. You guys know I talk about the NASDAQ almost every day. Why? Because this is a symbol that every trader in the world should be looking at. This market is absolutely on fire, and yes, you can trade it on any asset class. Forex, futures, stocks, and options, it's all good. The NASDAQ is available everywhere. All right? And of course, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart, folks, is our beautiful volume indicator color band. Okay, I can't even tell you how powerful this system has been for myself and a lot of my customers and clients who take trading seriously. I mean, I'm telling you, folks, when you have the right system and you trade it on the right symbol, my goodness, man, magic is going to happen. All right? So let me walk you through my thought process today. I did come into the market pretty late today, had some super important early morning meetings. And, you know, normally if I see the market ripping hard on a Friday and I feel like I'm too late, I don't take any additional trades. But since I hadn't traded at all today, I decided to take a gamble, take a stab. All right, I saw this thing turn green here around 9:30 a.m. this morning. A nice trend change identified. And, you know, with the NAS, man, because this thing has been on fire, I don't even know if I was expecting any retracements. You know, there's been a few days where the market just rips hard and takes off without us, right? And never gives us the retracement. But, ladies and gentlemen, lo and behold, take a look at that beautiful textbook retracement setup right over there. Okay, that was my first fill of the day. You can see I got filled at 242.75. Decent fill. I mean, not the best. I think there was a little bit of slippage on that one. And oddly enough, I did hit profits on the first target, but I broke even on the second. So it was a small winner. But, guys and gals, take a look at this right here. You see that? Really get dialed into my second fill. Why is that a second fill? Let's test your knowledge here. Well, because that setup right there is also a perfect retracement. All right. Got filled at 254 on the nose, and you guys know what I do next, right? I draw out my profit grid. Okay. This top line is the entry or the fill. This bottom line is the stop loss. And so the spacing in between these two lines is the risk on the trade. And folks, from that point on, you just draw out your grid line, man. Right? This is the grid line. 1-to-1, 2-to-1, 3-to-1. And you can see I hit my first target right there. Look at that. Long take profits. 1-to-1 was reached. I then move up my stop loss right like this. Okay? And lo and behold, guys and gals, target number 2 was also reached for a shocking 300 total ticks on this trade. Okay, it was absolutely insane, and you guys can see that this is live from now, all right? How many times have I said the NASDAQ typically gives us more than 3-to-1? Here's 4-to-1. Here's 5-to-1. We're knocking on 6-to-1 right now. This is live. What time is this? 12:24 p.m. This is live from right now. Silly me. I could have gotten 4-to-1, 5-to-1. Maybe even 6-to-1, but you guys know what I'm going to say, right? When you catch a really nice winner and you're profitable that day, just take profits. Don't be a greedy savage. Don't be like all those idiot traders out there who just don't know when to get out of a winning trade. right? And so many of them let that winning trade turn into a losing trade. Don't be that guy, right? Learn to take profits, and more importantly, learn a trading system that works. I've got something here that I really believe can make a significant impact on a person's trading technical analysis, literally on day one, in my humble opinion. All right, so congrats to all of my people who did catch this beautiful trade on the vol today. What an incredible day. What an incredible way to end the trading week. Enjoy your profits, and I'll see you on the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.